I'll show you guys how to do a simple wiring repair. We'll zoom in on these wires that broke. So I had fixed this once, and I want to come in on that. The seal had broke and then it corroded, so it didn't fix the low oil pressure light. So I've used these. These are called strippers, wire strippers, automatic wire strippers. I got these at Lowe's, and what they do is they'll grab the wire with this one, and then they strip the wire here, and then you pull it apart, and then it takes the insulation off the wire. So I've already done that on these two wires. And then, so now I'm going to take this. This is called a crimp and seal butt connector. So these are not just like your standard plastic butt connectors that you get from O'Reilly's. You'll crimp it, and then you'll get a lighter, and it will suck it down like heat shrink. So hopefully when I do it this time, it will fix the problem. So you want to twist the wire strands together, make them pretty tight as you can get, and then you'll slip the wire into the butt connector. Take these crimpers and set the crimper in there and crimp the wire down. And you'll want to give it a good tug to make sure that the crimp is good. Okay, I'm going to feed this under here. Let me do this first. And so what I'm doing is I'm rolling this in my finger this way, and I'm grabbing it, and I'm twisting that way. So I should be able to come in through here. Stick this in there. Okay. With the crimpers, I'm going to crimp it down. Again, I'm going to tug on both sides, make sure the wires are in there. Take a lighter, normal lighter. Maybe. Yeah. And then you just want to try your best to shrink that down, and it will stick a glue out that will seal the wire up. Let me get over here. And you can get these butt connectors on Amazon, pretty widely available. You're just not going to be able to get them at O'Reilly's because they just don't. Okay. If you zoom in, you can see the glue that got out of the butt connector there. And then now it's sealed up. And now my oil pressure light should be going away. It's sealed up, it won't corrode again. It's not the best connection, but a solder is better, but this one failed me. So I'm going this route this time. So hopefully it's fixed. Bye.